I stumbled through endless days, moments when even breathing hurt. The world turned its back on me. I felt I never stopped, holding my dirt-stained dreams so tight. Even in the endless dark, a spark inside me kept burning bright. Then I met you, like spring breaking through a light. On my way, the first warmth to arrive. What a miracle, blooming love, a flower of hope grown from the scars. So brave, so beautiful, your love rebuilt me from the fall. On the edge I found you there, the one and only reason I could rise. What a miracle, blooming love, you are the spring that came from my despair. Even in nights wrapped in fear, you became a path I could walk clear. No time to collapse or hide, because you always stood by my side. Though the world is rough and cold, I'm no longer afraid at all. From the moment I held your hand, my whole life began to change again. No storm could shake me now, they're just wings behind my back. With love as my name, I'm ready to soar, never looking back. What a miracle, blooming love, a stronger than fate, it's who you are. You shine, truly shine, the one I found in the chaos of life. Even my tears make sense, with you I can withstand it all. What a miracle, blooming love, the most beautiful power of all.